Fashion flow. Fashion flow.
Step in the frame, let it close on you. Silver on skin and the edges come through. Heel tap sharp on the polished floor. Midnight calls and you want more.
I walk in clean with a cold new stare. Fingers on silk, gotta cut up flare. Chrome on the cuff and the fit too mean. Moving like a film in the future scene. Eyes go wild when I cross that line. Every little step got a runway sign. I don't chase shine, I make it mine. Catch that pulse when the lights align.
Hold that breath, the room goes tense. One more turn and the walls all bend. Hear that rise, let the pulse come through. Say my name like it was made for you.
Fashion flow, like the night.
Run the runway, shine so bright. Feel the beat, every heartbeat, move your feet. Rise and glow, on the spotlight, steal the show.
Fashion flow.
Let's go! Fashion flow, fashion flow, fashion flow, fashion flow,
Fashion flow.
fashion flow.
Fashion flow. Hands up high, let the roll on floor. Fashion flow. Fashion flow.
Fashion flow.
Hit that stride, let the baseline roll. Now the whole room cuts like a blade. Black on black, then they have to glow shade. Chain swinging low when the stance stays strong. Every glance says you don't belong, but I built this lane with a fearless spark. Turn the hush to a shout in the dark. Side by side and the crowd leans in when the night goes wild. We all step in.
Hold that breath, the room goes tense. One more turn and the walls all bend. Hear that rise, let the